Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello friends, let us solve next question number 12 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Students, let us solve question number 12. The diagram below shown regions of equipotentials. So these are the four diagrams given. They are equipotential. All point on this line is 10 volt, on this point is 20, here is 30, here is 40. So is the case here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40 volt. Equipotential surfaces. A positive charge is moved in A to B, A to B. Here it is like that, here it is like that, here it is like that, here it is like that. A to B is moved from A to B. What is moved? The charge Q is moved from A to B. Maximum work is required to move Q in figure C. Whether the maximum work is required to be done here. In all the four cases, the work done is same. Minimum work is required to move charge Q in figure 1. Maximum work is done to move charge Q in B. So basically, the question is about to find the work done. The work done in moving charge Q from A to B. So we are interested in moving the charge from A to B in each of these four diagrams, and the work done is given by Q delta V. That is Q into VB minus BA. Because Q is same and VB is 40 and that is 10, so it is 30Q. In your first one, you'll also get 30Q. In the second one also you'll get 30Q. Third one also and fourth one also. That means the work done you're getting in all the diagram is same, irrespective, because they are equipotentials, irrespective of their shape of the equipotentials. So irrespective of shape of equipotentials, the work done will be same because the charge is being moved through the same potential difference. Same potential difference. So the answer to this question will be option number 2, which is in all the four cases the work done is same. So that is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.